Hello guys, welcome to Indo Drama channel. Recently guys, the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai recently shared a tweet. In that tweet he mentioned that it is possible to detect earthquake with submarine cables. Google think that it will be possible. How this is going to be happen, we will see in this video. How this system will help the mankind, we'll discuss in this video. So let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Generally, earthquake is measured with Richter scale, but recent days America uses moment magnitude scale. That is one of the recent updates with the earthquake measuring technology. Why these earthquake measure devices needs to change or update? Mainly these updations will help to save a lot of lives. If we see from 1998 to 2017, more than 8 lakh people died globally because of earthquake. More than 125 million people were affected by means of financial during earthquake. The main problem today we are facing as concerned to earthquake, that is, there is unavailability of proper warning systems. Instead of earthquake, we are getting prior information of typhoon, cyclone because of weather forecasting satellites. With the help of these warning systems for cyclone and typhoon, we can easily evacuate people before itself. But eventually we don't have this advanced system for earthquake. So the main need of today's condition is that to upgrade the existing device which should give prior warning or to find a new technology for this. From the recent information from Hindustan Times, lots of seismologists around the world claiming that there is a high possibility of an earthquake that will generate because of Himalaya. That will badly affect Nepal and Delhi, but the main thing is the time period is mentioned, that is between 10 to 300 years. So practically it is not possible to evacuate people based on this type of predictions. There is need of proper device. That's why Google entered here and stated that Google will develop a proper warning system for earthquake. Now currently with the existing device, we are getting warning 2 minutes prior of earthquake. But with this Google device, it will warn us before 10 to 15 minutes estimated time. For that, Google recommends us to use subsea fiber optic cables. So guys, what is subsea fiber optic cables? Basically, this cable called as submarine communication cables. These cables are already connected between continents for internet, telecommunications, etc. From this image, you can understand about the spread of optic cable between each continents, between Asia and Europe. Right now, Google wants to use this cable as earthquake monitoring device by settling some additional sensors with it. By these sensors, we can easily detect the movements of lands in different locations at the same time. This is possible when Google and other technological companies and telecommunication providers work together for this. Right now, Google used its own cable to show some results that was detected for Jamaica and some other parts of Africa. From these results, it shows that it really works. So guys, this is a very important technology that Google claiming. With this, lakhs of people lives is possible to save, but for that, international community should come together and work for it. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram, Indo Drama Official. Link is given in the description. Subscribe this channel, share to your friends, and keep supporting me. Thank you for love and support. See you in the next video.